Retailers are taking extra steps to protect their customers and employees from infection. They're putting into place new processes and procedures for cleaning and disinfecting POS checkout stations, POS equipment, and other items throughout the store. Disinfecting wipes, sprays, and cleaners can affect the plastic housings and components used in POS equipment. Chemicals and cleansers affect plastics in different ways and can damage the technology used at the POS. Plastic can become discolored, weak, brittle, or lose integrity. Having a POS scanner fail while customers are being served will be disastrous for retailers. Datalogic pioneered scanners manufactured with disinfectant-ready and antimicrobial materials. Disinfectant-ready materials withstand regular cleaning with chemical solutions. These materials are available on Datalogic handheld scanners and mobile computers. Contact Datalogic to learn more about POS scanners with disinfectant-ready and antimicrobial materials that protect against infection and can withstand harsh chemicals and cleansers.